Fluent in Client, the real language of bookkeeping. Speak their language, translate yours, protect your reputation. Hey there, savvy bookkeepers. It's Trudy from Maven. Have you ever had a client say something that sounded very simple, but underneath, they were asking for something completely different? Or maybe they didn't understand you, but it was lost in translation. Did you fail to connect the dots for them? Or maybe they failed to connect the dots for you. Either way, today we're going to break down how to speak client-ese so that you build trust, clarity, and credibility with every conversation. So please take a quick second, hit like if this is a topic that resonates. Here are our 5 prime examples of what your client says versus what they really mean, and more importantly, how to respond. Number 1, can you take a quick look at this? Translation, I want free work, but I don't want to say that. Maven tip, this is scope creep in disguise, so pause and reframe. Number 2, I just want to make sure I'm not overpaying in taxes. Translation, am I getting all my write-offs? Even if you're not their tax pro, they assume you know what affects that bill. Number 3, can you clean up this before my accountant sees it? Translation, I'm embarrassed. Please fix it and don't judge me. This is a chance to offer calm leadership, not criticism. And this right here is the reason why people like to know, like, and trust their bookkeeper, but they don't necessarily need to know or like their CPA. Because the CPA doesn't see all the stuff that embarrasses them. The bookkeeper does. It's the equivalent of having your underwear drawer rifled through. It's very invasive. So that's one of the main reasons that we differentiate bookkeepers from CPAs. Number 4, how hard would it be to run payroll? Translation, I want to grow, but I'm scared of screwing it up. Lead with confidence, not with complexity. Number 5, do you think I'm ready for an S-Corp? Translation, TikTok told me this saves me money. Is that true? Always translate hype into grounded guidance, because what TikTok didn't inform your client is that that is actually tied directly to their bottom line. So let's walk them through the reality, get them steered away from the noise that they're hearing on TikTok. Now we have 4 examples of what you say versus what your client hears. When you say, let's reconcile your account, what the client hears is something's wrong. So let's just say instead, let's double check your numbers are all accounted for. Number 2, when you say, this expense is non-deductible, what the client hears is, you wasted money. Instead say, this one won't reduce your tax bill, so let's plan ahead next time. You've got uncategorized transactions. The client hears, you messed up. Instead, just say, there are a few items that I need your insight on. Number 4, we need to close the books. Client hears, you missed your chance to fix something. Say instead, we're locking in clean reports so that you can make solid decisions. And lastly, here are some why isn't that showing up examples that clients seem to ask invariably. Number 1, why aren't my car payments showing up on the P&L? Because they're on the balance sheet as loan repayments. Instead, only the loan interest shows up on the P&L, the rest reduces your debt. Number 2, why does it say I made money when my account is empty? Oh my God, we hear this one all the time. Profit does not equal cash. Say instead, profit shows what you earned, not what's in the bank. That's also why we track cash flow. Number 3, why hasn't that credit card charge shown up yet? We know it's a timing issue or a pending payment, but what we say is we post expenses when they appear on your card feed, not when you swipe the card. Number 4, why did reimbursements show up as income? It wasn't coded against the original expense. Say instead, we'll match it to the original cost so it doesn't inflate your revenue. 5, why doesn't this match up with what my tax preparer sees? Likely it's cash basis versus accrual that they're looking at. So instead just say, let's make sure we're syncing up with how we each record that data. Here are your Maven moves for this week. Create 2 cheat sheets for yourself. What the client says versus what the client means, which is what they're really asking. And the second one is what the bookkeeper says and what the client hears. What you need to reframe, because you're not just a bookkeeper, you're a translator, a guide, and a credibility builder. And when you speak fluently in both languages, your clients stay longer, refer more, and they'll trust you much more completely. All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. And speaking of next, too nice equals too stuck. That'll be a great episode about people pleasing. I'm a people pleaser, or I should say I used to be a people pleaser, but no more. So let's find out how I got over that and let's get you out of the too nice trap. We'll see you there.